What's the meaning of calculator? Calculator. Calculator.
Calculator. Calculator. A calculator is a device used for performing mathematical calculations. It typically includes functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as more advanced operations such as logarithmic and trigonometric functions. Modern calculators often have additional features like memory storage and programming capabilities. The result of using a calculator is a numerical value that represents the answer to a mathematical equation or problem. These devices are widely used in both personal and professional settings, and have greatly simplified and accelerated the process of mathematical calculations.